Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Horace with another one of my Jump On It episodes. This channel is What to Sell on Amazon, and it's dedicated to helping you have success selling on Amazon. So I teach you my skills and the things that I know that work for me. But most importantly, this segment, Jump On It, is about me taking a minute out of my time, usually when I'm at work, in order to actually give you a deal that I found. We can share this and we can all make money together, because together we can do this, right? You're never alone. Not with me, you're not. As you can see, I'm at work. I'm at a shipper, and I just took a quick break. I got my laptop with me, and we're going to talk about what we got there. It's about 9:15 at night. I do work nights. And today's date is May the 10th, 2019. So, yeah, as you can see, if you, this is off the subject here, but I got to cry to somebody, so I'm going to cry to you. Look at the mileage on this tractor. 1,511,081 miles. So you're probably thinking to yourself, wow, he's in a piece of junk. And you would be absolutely correct. But, you know, at this type of job, we do what we call slip seating. That means you're never in the same truck every day. So there you have it. That was my little violin story. But now let's get into what this is all about. I found a deal. And as you can see, we're on Target. And if you look and see what that is, we're looking at, Disney Princess Multivitamin Gummies, 180 count. And you can see those are going for $9.79. Now, if we go to Amazon, and if that's the right one, and it is the 180 count, you can see those are going from 24. Those start at 24. But if we actually click on that, see what I got, some spam, some malware or something on my computer. But if we kind of look at who we got out there, you only got 3 people. You got a guy selling it for 24. But look right here, he's back ordered. You got a guy selling it for 28, another guy 28. These are all prime guys. So I already did the work. So let's see. I stuck that in there. Now, I'm in Pennsylvania. I don't pay taxes on that. So if we sold it at $24 with my cost, you can see I'm going to make about $5.30. And how many are we going to sell? I already stuck the product in Jungle Scout, but I want to just show you real quick what I'm using. If you come out to the root listing and you scroll down to the product details, you can see the let me see if I can point to that for you. The rank is 170,837 in health and household. So you can see I already stuck that rank in there under health and household, and I'm at the Jungle Scout website. If you just go to junglescout.com and come over to the resources right here, you can do the same thing. And as you can see, they estimate that 30 of these are selling a month. With those 3 people out there, Amazon would basically rotate. Actually, the guy with the lowest price would get the buy box, but he's out of stock. So at the current time, it's being rotated between the 2 other sellers. So they're probably getting 15 on a month. So you do the math on that. This is one more that you could add to the other ones as you build up on your replenishables. And remember, guys, and I haven't been talking about this enough, you got to be thinking about a plan. What is your plan? Do you want to make an extra $500 a month? Then do the math. What does that come to in how much you need to be selling per day? What you're selling per day, you need to be sourcing per day, right? We got to have a plan. If we're just kind of out here loose in the water and we haven't set our sails, we're not going to make it to a specific destination. You can't, it's not enough to just say, well, I'm out here because I want to make some extra money. No, some extra money is too vague. How much? Okay? You cannot hit a target if you don't have a target, right? What are you aiming at? So I just wanted to bring that out. And I think that pretty much covers it. But I'm telling you right now, that's a good product. You can find that. Let me see if I can. You see the ASIN right there? Hold on. Hold what you got. Okay, yeah, right there. If you can pause your video, and then you could take that ASIN and find it right on Amazon. You should be approved, but if you're not approved for that, you just move on. We'll get more. I'm dedicated to doing this. I want to do more. If you're subscribed to the channel, you know we give free leads, but because I work a full-time job, I can't get them as much as I want, but we're working on that. We're bringing on somebody to help because we're committed to getting you the help that you need so that you can make money. We're going to do this together. So take action, guys. You're going to learn. Just like the last jump on it, I showed a different tool. This time I showed Jungle Scout. There are other tools, but don't get so wrapped up in the tools because, you know, that's to help you learn how to read, learn your seller's rank in your various categories, and you'll know right away if you got a hit. And vitamins, people take those. You know what I mean? If you can get them, if you approve for that, go for it. If not, move on. Baby products, toys, things like that, you know, but there'll be more. So that concludes this episode, guys. And probably be a good idea for you to go ahead and subscribe, because I do this all the time. The guys can tell you, I continue to give, but these, you have to jump on it. This is something you would want to get on. As soon as you see this video, you want to see if you can jump on it. That's why I named it Jump On It. But in order to jump on it, you got to be notified when we have the deals. So you need to subscribe, and you need to hit the bell notification so that you can be notified, right? And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps the channel. If you didn't like it, please give it a thumbs down. It helps the channel. So just some activity, guys. Ask me a question, you know, whatever you need. I think it's Friday, so I think tomorrow we're going to try to go live. I don't know if that's going to work out or not, but that's something we definitely want to start doing, is going live. Why? Because that gives me a better chance to help you. You may have questions. You may want to interact. Some of you are actually taking action, and I congratulate you. Some of you are reaching out to me, and I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This is your time, and I'm asking you to spend it with me. My only hope is that I'm giving you something of value in return for your precious time. All right, guys. This is Horace. This is What to Sell on Amazon. Jump on it, and I'm out.